Mr. Speaker, I rise today to welcome Mr. Penpa Tsering, the Sikyong, or President of the Central Tibetan Administration. Tasha Delek. He is here to spread awareness about the lack of linguistic, religious, and cultural freedoms for Tibetans. He's here to advocate for the middle way, an approach crafted by His Holiness the Dalai Lama, which simply seeks genuine autonomy for Tibet within the framework of the People's Republic of China. The Sikyong is here calling for a resumption of the Sino-Tibetan dialogue, and he is here to raise awareness about the whereabouts of the Panchen Lama. At the time of his abduction by the CCP in 1995, Gaden Choki Nyima was 6 years old, making him the youngest political prisoner in the entire world. He's not been seen in public for 27 years. Today in Parliament, the Sikyong is accompanied by the Venerable Tenzin Rabgyal, the abbot of the Panchen Lama's monastery. I ask all members of this House to take up the cause of Tibetans' struggle for basic human rights and to join me in welcoming these two Tibetan leaders. Tuji Che.